When the scale of 75-acre meets promising location with the trust of Godrej Properties, you get Godrej Rivershore Estate. Hello everyone and a very warm welcome to Housey. This is your host Jetala and today we'll be doing the project overview of Godrej Rivershore Estate, which is located in Nagpur. Well, in this video we'll be discussing about project overview, location, amenities, plot size, booking process, launch discount offers and many more. Well, before starting the video, let me introduce you all with Housey. So Housey is nothing but India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate guarantee. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers, resulting in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the broker. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let's start with the project overview where Godrej Properties is launching its new villa plot development now in Nagpur, which is spread across 75 acres consisting of multiple villa plots. Coming to the location part, and our project is located in South Nagpur passing by Vinnar River, where you can connect to Samruddhi Mahamarg Circle in just 5 minutes. Mihan is 10 minutes away. Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar International Airport is 15 to 20 minutes away. Hingna MIDC is 20 minutes away and 10 minutes away from IBFC, that is International Business and Financial Center. Now about the amenities part, and Godrej Rivershore Estate offers you 30 plus lifestyle amenities where the nature meets European elegance. You get grand clubhouse, swimming pool, kids play area, nesting box, amphitheater, project theme gym, play court, business center, jogging track and many more luxurious amenities. Now if you are looking to buy a home, in strong recommendation from my end, Housey is here with its new series called Rights of Home Buyer, as many home buyers are not aware of their rights. Like for example, if you're purchasing a home by paying a token amount and later on try to cancel your booking, how much amount a builder can legally deduct. Or else even after possession there is any construction related issue happening in your project, is builder liable for the same or not? All this is explained in a very simple and easy manner in our series. So before you buy a home, you must watch this series once. The link is mentioned in below and even button. Now let's discuss about the plot size, where this project offers you different dimensions of plots, where the plot size starts from 1200 square feet and goes up to 2000 square feet. The pricing here starts from 66 lakhs onwards. Now coming to the booking process, where our project EOI window, that is expression of interest window, is open now. So we are inviting all our interested clients to come and visit our site, or else even you can do the virtual site tour, where our sales team will explain the complete project detail via project 3D model, will share the payment and pricing scheme and will show you the actual location as well. And then if clients like the project, they can proceed for the token by paying 50,000 only as expression of interest. Additionally, we have flexible payment plan available for you all, and the possession of our project will be handed over by December 2027. So everyone, this was the complete project overview of Godrej Rivershore Estate by Godrej Properties located in Nagpur. If you are looking for more details of the project, click on the link below to download e-brochure and price sheet.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.